Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Thanks to their mixed genes, mutts are less likely to have received a high dose of any particular breed's genes. Because of this, many mutts have a lower rate of health conditions, such as hip dysplasia, spinal diseases, knee problems, certain cancers, heart disease, and more, than their purebred counterparts.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Here are 7 of the healthiest dog breeds. Australian Cattle Dog. This energetic breed of dog is renowned for its intelligence, agility, and endurance. Australian Shepherd, Border Collie, Chihuahua, English Springer Spaniel, German Pinscher, mixed breeds or mutts.
Take our lead.
Everyone thinks mutts are smarter and generally healthier, but really, it all depends on their mix of breeds and which breed strain is dominant. Border Collies and Rottweilers are 2 of the smartest breeds, Cannon says. A dog's breed, or breed mix, is no guarantee that it will have certain traits.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
This study found that purebred dogs have a significantly greater risk of developing many of the hereditary disorders examined in this study. No, mixed-breed dogs are not always healthier than purebreds, and also, purebreds are not as healthy as mixed-breed dogs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.